Splashtop Secure Workspace provides a rich set of APIs with full automation capability for managing and working within the workspace. The Secure Workspace offers IT administrators and end users an all-in-one platform to access their applications and data, making it crucial to automate the provisioning of the workspace and its applications. The automation capability empowers IT admins, developers, and end users with unprecedented flexibility to manage and work within the workspace. IT admins can automate the provisioning of the workspace and applications for end users. Developers can automate and orchestrate their geo-distributed applications using a single piece of code. End users can automate their daily tasks within the workspace. System admins can automate the network configuration within the workspace. We are going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to leverage the Splashtop Workspace automation. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Begin by cloning the Splashtop Workspace automation repository from GitHub. You can find the link to the repository in the description below. Once you've cloned the repository, navigate to the Python notebook named workspace.pnb. This is a fully functional notebook complete with helpful instructions and pre-written code. Step 3. Ensure you've got a few prerequisites checked off. First, you'll need a Splashtop Secure Workspace account. Second, make sure Python and Jupyter Notebook are installed on your machine. We'll be using Jupyter Notebook to open the workspace BPONB file. Step 4. Let's generate the API key. Log into the Secure Workspace web console. Navigate to Settings, then API Keys, and click Generate API Key. Copy this API key and save it in your secret manager for future use. Next, open the appkey.py file and update it with your newly generated API key. Step 5. We're now ready to run our Jupyter Notebook. Follow the instructions to install the necessary Python libraries using pip. Step 6. Set up the variables based on your environment, such as server_URL and organization name. You can find these in the Workspace web console. Remember, the site name refers to the name of the connector, the edge name refers to the edge location, and the network name can also be found in the web console. Step 7. Authenticate to the workspace and obtain authentication tokens. Step 8. With the IAM token, we can now retrieve the organization information. This is vital as it represents the top-level container of the secure workspace. Step 9. By utilizing the organization ID, we can retrieve all the groups within the organization. For our purposes, we will be looking at a built-in group called All User. Step 10. We're now ready to provision the remote RESTful API service to all users. We can retrieve all the applications within the organization using the organization ID. In this case, we'll look at a sample application called ZTW RESTful Cloud and provision it to the All User group. Step 11. With this setup, all users can now use their API key to connect remotely to the RESTful API service and invoke the API from their own workstations. To establish these connections, we'll need to install the Secure Workspace CLI, and our code will automate this installation process for you, assuming you're using macOS. Please note, you'll be prompted to input your operating system password to run sudo. Once the CLI establishes the tunnel, you'll see a success message. Step 12. With the network tunneling in place, we can make API calls to the remote RESTful application straight from this notebook. And finally, step 13, we conclude our process by cleaning up. We will remove the temporary script file and securely close the tunnel we established earlier. Running the provided cleanup commands will ensure your workspace is left tidy and secure, ready for your next project. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Splashtop Workspace automation. With these steps, you're now equipped to enhance your productivity and efficiently manage your secure workspaces. Thank you for joining us in this walkthrough. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information and tips, don't forget to visit our GitHub repository and follow us for more updates. Until next time.